Hi guys, in this video I will show with you how you can active your Prezzy card, guys. And this video to watch this video till the end to learn how to do this, guys. And more, your Prezzy card will arrive in your email, and you unlock the code. If you when you purchase this card, ask for the code from the person who bought it as you need, and it all unlock Prezzy card. And visit the site and activate the link in the description, guys. And card alternate ID, you can find the number at block back for Prezzy card, and right below the barcode next type, guys, for digit unlock code. Click and the unlock now button. Your card is now activated and ready to use on your phone. Call +64 and out 98 and 6789 the number. The description state your purpose for making the call to unlock your Prezzy card. Provide agree with necessary detail. Verify your account. They unlock to card up 1 successfully verification, guys. There you have activate your Prezzy card, and just